Hey, I'm Skylar. The easiest way to synchronize your Internet Explorer bookmarks to your iPhone is with iCloud. So let's go over that process together. Press your Home button and slide to unlock. From your home screen, tap Settings. Scroll down until you see iCloud. Tap iCloud and check your Apple ID at the top. If it's what you want to use, make sure Safari is turned on. That's it for your iPhone, so let's put it to sleep and go over to Windows. In Windows, I've directed my web browser to a search engine, and I've typed in iCloud Control Panel. The first result from your search should be iCloud Control Panel for Windows version 2.0. So click on that. And once that page loads, you'll see the link to download it in the upper right. So download that and install it. Once you've got it installed, this window will pop up and it'll ask you to log in with your Apple ID. Make sure you use the same ID that you saw on your iPhone. Once you have, click Sign In. The control panel appears, and I see that Bookmarks and PhotoStream are already enabled. That's great. That's actually all I want. So you see, with the light gray text, it says Internet Explorer. That's awesome. So just click Apply, and you're done. Now, your bookmarks from IE will synchronize with Safari on your iPhone, and vice versa. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.